What's up, guys? This is going to be my first video on this new channel. If you followed any of my other stuff, you'd see some aluminum casting stuff I was doing. Now this guy I just bought from eBay. I was a little worried about whether it was going to make it or not, or what it's going to look like, so I'm going to just do a quick unboxing for you. It's a 3 kilogram melting furnace. It's basically going to do everything other than aluminum for me. You can get to a lot hotter temperature and not use any of my propane. And this I can do inside. So this is going to be my temporary workstation for now. It's just going to be on top of an old toolbox. So until I get the regular melting station built, I'll have a video on that later. So let's get this thing opened up. I'm going to be using a Harbor Freight Chinese razor blade here. Hopefully that'll open up a Chinese box a little faster. Now, what made me nervous about this seller was he only had 24 positive feedbacks and not a lot of stuff sold. And he had a few of these for sale, and he was the cheapest one. That was cheapest guy selling the 3 kilogram, which is what I was looking for. Now you get to watch me struggle. Everybody loves these unboxing videos. It's not very exciting, but let's see what it looks like. I'll leave a link in the description to this seller, whether he's any good or not. I've got some tongs that barely move. Needs a little lubrication. Doesn't really line up too well. Probably end up making my own anyway. Chinese instruction booklet. Sure. Nice fancy packaging. Foam is custom cut. Those cheap tongs. Alright, now we get to the meat of it. Here. Feels like a crucible. Oh, that thing's heavy. Power cord. Anything else in the bottom of this thing? Nope. A lot of heavy cardboard. Decent quality handles on the side of it. It's a little dusty. Smells like China. I went for a black one. Doesn't matter what color it is. They're all the same. Feels well built. Pretty solid, definitely heavy. It's got some cooling fins on the bottom. I don't see any fans though. I don't think there's a cooling fan in this thing. Oh, there's a big heat sink but no fan. So everything's set up a lot better than my last one. Now there are heating instructions that we have to follow. The first time you start this thing up, it burns all this powder off. Let's see what this crucible looks like. I think I paid about $328 for this thing. Figured I'd go cheap. If I like it, I'll upgrade later. I've had a few of these already. I've used a few of them, borrowed a few of them. This is the first one I've actually owned. go. This is a 3 kilogram nice machine graphite. It's actually all machined. That's all turned. That's all lathe turned. Nice. Got the little pour spout. Fits in there nice. So far so good. Sort of. To pull it. That might get annoying. These things are going to be upgraded sooner than later. It does fit pretty good. It's actually a really nice crucible. I've been using steel lately, and they don't last too long. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.